Hey friends, my name is Amy Rebecca. Welcome back to my channel and to the penultimate project pan of 2021. We are getting down to the wire at this point. At the beginning of 2021, I challenged myself to pan 21 project pan items this year and I haven't done it yet and I'm running out of time. So I've got an update for you guys. I think you're going to be marginally impressed with my progress, but before we get into all of that, we do have a sponsor for today's video, so here's me talking about that. Today's video is kindly sponsored by the Easy Habit Tracker app. I've said it before and I will say it again until I am blue in the face. You cannot rely solely on motivation when you are trying to create powerful, positive changes in your life, because some days you wake up with lots of motivation and other days you wake up with none. This app is a great way of taking goals and turning them into daily habits. You have the choice of using some of their presets, which are lists of habits that they've put together according to the goals that you're working towards and what you're trying to achieve, or you can go rogue and create some of your own. A cool feature is you can bundle habits together, which definitely helps me get through some of the less enjoyable habits. For instance, I love a true crime podcast, who doesn't? So I bundle that together with some kind of like run or something that I don't enjoy so much. Then you can set notifications to get reminded of your habits throughout the day so that you can keep on track and you can go back into the app and like monitor your progress. If you are like me and you feel like you need a little nudge in the direction of actually following through on your healthy, positive habits, then I will leave a link to the Easy Habit Tracker down in the description box. Once again, thank you so much to Easy Habit. It's very difficult to say this many times. The Easy Habit Tracker, thank you for sponsoring today's video, and now let's get into it. Oh hey, it's me again. We're back to the project pan. This is a complete side note, but I look ghastly pale in this lighting. It's giving me serious Casper vibes. Anyway, project pan. Let's circle back to why we're all here. I panned 2 more products this month. So let's talk about those first. The first one you may have already seen if you watched last week's empties video. It is the Soap & Glory the Daily Smooth Body Butter. It's done. This is just such a big moment for me, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the people out there who suggested using this immediately after coming out of the shower, because honestly, without you guys, I never would have accomplished this. Facts though, facts. The second thing that I panned this month was the Wet n Wild Silk Finish Blush in Pearlescent Pink. Boom. Panned. If you're wondering why you didn't see this one in last week's empties video, it's because between filming that and filming this, I have used up a few extra things, so surprise! Now let's talk about the things that I had the best of intentions of panning but didn't. Firstly, I have that Superdrug cleanser. It's the baking soda and rice starch powder scrub. I seriously thought I was going to make much faster progress with this than I actually did. Sorry about the glare, but the lighting situation today is horrific. So this line here is where we were at the end of last month. This giant line that I made a mess of, that's where we are now. So it's a really small amount of progress, and I'm surprised because when I'm using this, it feels like I'm using a lot of product and it's only a very small tub. But I guess it's just going to be one of those products that taunts me and looks like it's almost done for many months but never actually gets done. We all know how I feel about those. Next, let's talk about a huge source of shame for me this month, the Pomegranate Lip Balm. It did not go well. So you can see this is where we were at the end of last month, and this, not even probably a full millimeter later, is where we are this month. I'm trying to think of an excuse for why I've done so badly with this, but I have no excuse. I just didn't do a particularly good job of using this month. I think it's safe to say we will not be panning this one by the end of 2021. Next, we have the Tresemme Split Remedy Serum, and I actually weigh this one every month since we can't actually see inside the bottle, and it's driving me insane. According to my weighing scales, there has been no progress with this product again this month. I know why that is. It's because my weighing scales are from the 90s and they're extremely inaccurate. Maybe in the new year I'll finally cave and get some digital weighing scales. It would certainly add something to the 2022 project pan if I had a weighing scale that actually worked. We'll see. Either way, there's still plenty of product in here, I can feel it, and we're gonna be going after this one for a while. I have, however, made some pretty decent progress with this Estee Lauder perfume. This is the Modern Muse. It's just a little sample size, and it's almost done. I am very confident that I'll be able to finish this off within the first few weeks of December. I'm coming after this one. This is one that I am determined to use up this month. Did you hear me? I am coming for you. Is it weird how passionate I get about this project pan? I'm very emotionally invested in a way that might be a little bit much. Finally, the last thing I want to talk about is the whole sheet mask situation that I introduced at the end of last month. I brought in this sheet mask, the Goodness Hydro Quench Hyaluronic Acid Sheet Face Mask. Why don't they give things easy names? Easy, short, snappy names. Just a suggestion. Anyway, I brought this in last month because I had a bunch of single-use masks, and a lot of you guys in the comments recommended, why don't I do a batch of 5, because just one single use. You know what I mean? Just one of these didn't feel like a huge accomplishment as a project pan product. So you said, why don't you batch a bunch of them together, and then when you use them all, that counts as one product. I took your advice on board and I brought in 4 additional single-use masks. I've got this Sense Sharky Facial Sheet Mask. Use that one up. I've got the Fresh Food for Hair Mask. Use that one up. I got the Superdrug Foot Nourishing Sock Pack. Use that one up. And then obviously used up the original Goodness Sheet Mask as well. So now I just have one left, which is a Superdrug Fruit Sorbet Antioxidant Peel-Off Mask. So thank you for everybody who suggested batching up the single-use masks like that. I love that idea, and it makes way more sense to do it that way. So now once I've used up this one, we can officially cross one additional product off of the list. So I panned an additional 2 products this month, which brings my grand total up to 18 project pan products panned. Words are really difficult for me. That means between now and the project pan finale at the end of next month, I have to use up 3 more products to meet my goal. Usually this is the part of the video where I would cycle in some new products to replace the ones that I just used up. But since we only have 1 month left of the whole challenge, and since I'm on track to hit my goal, I'm not going to bother doing that. So my real goal moving forward through the next few weeks is obviously get this one used up, get this one used up, and I'm pretty confident if I really go after it, I can use this one up as well, and then I will have succeeded in using up 21 project pan products in 2021. I believe in myself. I can do this. Okay, so that was my project pan update for November. We have 1 left. Do you think I can do it? Let me know in the comment section, and please send positive vibes my way. Please just like get on my case about this. We all know that I am an inherent procrastinator, so I will need people. Send me an Instagram DM, get in the comments section, like hound me night and day and remind me to use these products up. If you did enjoy this video, then please go ahead and give it a thumbs up to let me know. Subscribe if you haven't already to join the fam. Yeah. Thank you once again to the Easy Habit Tracker app for sponsoring this video. You guys can go, like I said, and check it out in the description box down below where I will leave the link. But until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that I love you all so much. You are enough just as you are. Now go out there and have a beautiful day. Bye guys.